Hello everybody, how are you all? Warmly welcome back to Crochet Mart, very smart, unique and outstanding ideas. Dear viewers, as like before, today also we brought something special for you. So leave everything just for now. Give me only 5 minutes and 16 seconds. I'm sure you will never lose your time to watch this video. Dear viewers, first of all, if you still not subscribe the channel, please subscribe it now. Press bell icon also to find such type of more unique and outstanding videos. If you found it helpful, don't forget to share and like the video so that your friends also can watch such type of beautiful video. Crochet accessories can be both functional and stylish, offering a variety of benefits. Here are some reasons why crochet accessories can be so valuable. The first and the main one is unique and personalized. Crochet accessories can be customized to suit personal preferences, making them one of a kind. Eco-friendly. Many crochet accessories are made from sustainable materials, promoting an eco-friendly lifestyle. Handmade quality. Each crochet accessory is crafted by hand, often with great attention to detail, ensuring quality. Cost effective. Once you learn how to crochet, creating your accessories can be a budget friendly alternative to buying mass produced items. Variety of styles. From hats and scarves to bags and jewelry, crochet accessories come in a wide range of styles to suit any wardrobe. Durability. Crochet items, when made with the right yarn, are often very durable and long lasting. Versatility. Crochet accessories can be used year round, like lightweight scarves for summer or chunky shawls for winter. Creative expression. Crocheting allows you to express your creativity and personal style through unique design and patterns. Customizable sizes. Many crochet accessories can be made in any size, ensuring a perfect fit. Personal for gift. Crochet accessories make thoughtful handmade gifts that add a personal touch. Stress relief. The repetitive motion of crocheting can be therapeutic, offering stress relief and relaxation. Improve fine motor skills. Crocheting helps improve hand-eye coordination and fine motor skills. Social and community benefits. Crochet groups and communities can offer a sense of accommodation and shared interest. Flexible pattern. Crochet patterns can be easily altered or adjusted to create the perfect accessories. Ideal for any skill level. Whether you are a beginner or an expert, there are always something new to learn and create in crochet. Fashion forward. Crochet accessories are often seen in trendy fashion collections, making them stylish additions to any wardrobe. Dear viewers, if you really love to watch this video, don't forget to share and like so that your friends also can watch such type of unique, outstanding and beautiful video. Lightweight. Most crochet accessories are lightweight, making them easy to wear and carry around. Adaptable to any season. Crochet accessories can be made with different yarn types suitable for any season, from warm wool to light cotton. Great for kids. Crocheted toys, hats, or other small items are wonderful for children, often gentle on their skin. Thank you very much for watching our video. Keep in touch with our channel. Bye bye.